Let me show you how I have automated my customer support for the software as a service business. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, hey, I need help as a user or the customer to my business number, which is saved here as test number. And here you can see that I'm getting the response. And now let's enter another question to check it's working. So here I'm going to select this first issue, that is login or password reset. Now let's provide it. And right here you can see that I'm getting all the troubleshooting steps which will help me to log in my account or password reset. Now let's enter another question to check the proper working of this customer support AI assistant which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow. So let's say I'm entering this issue, that is, why am I not receiving emails? And right here you can see that my AI assistant is providing the answer to my question. And right here you can check out all the recommended steps by this particular business named as Cloudflow CRM. So here you can see that I have created this AI assistant which is providing support to my customer on the behalf of my business. So now I don't need to manually type the messages and send to my customers again and again, because this automation is doing so and understanding the questions of my customers very well. And here this is responding on the basis of my business because I have provided it the knowledge base. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have created for my SaaS customer support business. And this knowledge base basically contains the details of my business, and it is going to work as the brain for the AI assistant. So my AI assistant is fetching the data from this knowledge base and resolving all the queries of my customer. And right here you can see that I have started this knowledge base with the business overview so that my AI can understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. So by using this knowledge base, my AI assistant is resolving all the queries of my customer and eliminating the manual conversation between me and my customers. So now you can also create this and provide support to your customers, and no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this AI assistant. You can simply create it within few minutes by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So let's see the process of creating it and how you can automatically provide support to your customers without needing any extra team or any extra members. And this is going to work 24/7. Means your users can get the answer of their queries anytime and anywhere. So now let's move on towards the AI assistant page to check how it can be created. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Chatflow on the AI assistant page where we are going to create this AI assistant. So if you want to access this page, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is going to be pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to provide support to your customers automatically, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards our AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And right here I'm on this AI instruction tab where I'm going to select my instruction tab as AI agent, and here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now from here you can set the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative, but I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And from here you can select the AI to use and the model of your OpenAI. And now here we have to enter the API key so that our OpenAI can respond to the customer queries. And for getting this API key, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help text. And right here, we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button. And here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key. And your API key will be created, and I already have it. So I have entered my API key. Now let's connect it by simply selecting this connect button. And right here our OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now we are on this AI assistant settings section, from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles and entering it. And then next we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant, so you can enter it. And the next we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. So you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And lastly, we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's manage the knowledge source. So right here I'm going to provide the knowledge base to my AI assistant. So right here you can see that I'm getting this knowledge base for SaaS customer support. And if you want to upload a new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file. So right here on my media library, I'm going to use this knowledge base, that is SaaS customer support. So here I have selected it. Now let's click over this insert button. And here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID of the knowledge base which I have just uploaded. Now let's configure the assistant interface. And right here it is asking me to enter the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter the header display heading name as SaaS. And as I'm entering it, you might observe one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same header display heading name which I have just entered. So you can provide the heading name likewise. And for this field, that is subheading name, we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, which can also be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as a subheading. And the next we are getting this field for entering the initial message. And right here you can see this is the initial message which is already entered over here. So you can provide two initial messages. Now for this field, that is display the powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable or disable it. And as I have disabled it, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And here you can provide the footer text and footer link. And at last we are getting this option for user's first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance. So here you can select the preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and can change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this is the process. You can create a no-code AI assistant for your software as a service business. And now this is going to provide proper customer support without you even typing even a single message. Now let's enable it by activating this toggle. Save it by simply selecting this button. And now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the process for embedding this AI assistant to whatever website you are running. And now let me show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contact, a particular chat, or a particular contact list. So for enabling this for your all contacts, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of inbox settings which you have to select. And just scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies which you have to keep enabled. And from this field you can select your all contact or a particular contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And from this field you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this was the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let me show you how you can do it for a particular chat. So for that, I'm on my inbox, and right here I'm going to enable this AI assistant for this particular chat. So here I have selected it, and right here we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to enable, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable for this particular chat. So here I have enabled it, and now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant, and this user can message me 24/7, and my AI assistant will respond to them whatever the time they message my business. So now you can also automate all the manual conversation between you and your customers. And you can provide 24/7 support to your customers by just using this automation tool or this AI assistant. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.